So guys, we're here at the homestead. This is going to be my first video for the ElectroCulture, and basically what it is that you use the ambient electricity that's present in the atmosphere that's all around us, you know, static electricity and things like that. Well, you absorb that electricity through a copper antenna, and you take that energy and you bring it all the way down to the roots, and you do that with a copper antenna. What this does is, supposedly, is it helps aid the plant in blooming. It helps keeps bugs away from them, so you don't have to put in pesticides. And it helps with fruit production. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna have a couple of videos, and I'm gonna show you how I made the antenna, and you might want to make one yourself. I've already put some antennas out so you guys can see them, and I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I place them, and then I'm gonna show you how to make an antenna. Pretty quick, straightforward, really nothing to it, but I will tell you this: I did use 8-gauge wire to make this happen, and this is day one of me putting them out, and I'm gonna have subsequent videos so you guys can see it. So this is just the first video. I'm going to switch over right now so I can show you the plants, what they look like right now, and other videos you'll be able to see the growth, or not, because we just don't know. All right, so guys, I'll leave you with that, and we'll come back to the next video in the series. Bye.